Breastfeeding can be a rewarding yet challenging journey, especially when managing milk supply. Using a breast pump effectively can help maintain and boost your milk production. Here are some professional tips to support your breastfeeding experience. 1. Establish a routine. Consistency is key. Aim to pump at the same times daily to mimic your baby's feeding schedule, which signals your body to produce more milk. 2. Stay hydrated and nourished. Proper hydration and a balanced diet rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and proteins are essential for maintaining milk production. 3. Optimize pump settings. Adjust your pump suction and speed settings for comfort and efficiency. A double electric pump can save time and stimulate better milk flow. 4. Relaxation matters. Stress can impact milk supply. Create a calm environment while pumping and consider gentle massages or warm compresses to encourage letdown. Remember, every mother's journey is unique. Consult a lactation specialist for personalized guidance if needed.